everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to group and ungroup element in Canva. Grouping elements in Canva is super easy. Launch open Canva application on your mobile device and go ahead and select a design you would like to group and ungroup elements in. I'm going to open up a recent design of mine. After you select open a design, if you have multiple elements in it and you'd like to group them together, go ahead and press hold to one of the elements. Now, you will be able to see the pop-up where you can tap on select multiple. Tap on multiple elements you want to group together and they will be selected. Now, a group option will be available right above the select multiple option. Tap on group and you will then be able to group the elements together. Now if you select one element, you will then be able to select all of them at once. If you ever want to ungroup the element, you can come back to the design and select one of the elements where you will be able to see a pop-up where it says ungroup. If you tap on ungroup while selecting one element, you will be able to ungroup them again. The benefits of grouping is that it makes it easier to move and resize the multiple elements simultaneously. You can always ungroup to edit individual elements if needed with the steps I just showed you. So that's how you can easily group and ungroup elements in Canva using your Canva mobile application. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.